Hi, this is Sue. I'm a reference librarian at the Huntley Area Public Library. Today we're going to take a look at JobNow and the resources it has to help you in your job search, specifically for improving your resume. In today's job search environment, your resume is the first thing most employers see, and it has to speak strongly for you. So we're going to start at the library's website, huntleylibrary.org. From there, we're going to click onto the online resources page, and in the online resources page, we scroll down till we get to career, language, and school resources. And here we are at JobNow. And we would use this link to get started. So due to licensing requirements, this resource is only available to Huntley area public library card holders. So I would go here to sign in with my library barcode. This database does offer a variety of resources, including things to help you begin your job search, preparing for your interview, tips, career assessments. So there are a lot of things you can get just from signing in with your library card. However, there are valuable resources in this database which you can get access to by creating a personal account. One is live assistance through chat from the subject expert. So JobNow experts have a minimum of a 4-year degree. They are based in the United States and attend regularly required training in their subject areas. You can chat with them about a variety of subjects related to your search, including searching, applying for, and interviewing for jobs. Subject experts are available from 2 to 11 p.m. each day, 7 days a week. Another valuable resource is the Resume Lab. The Resume Lab lets you submit your finished resume for detailed feedback about grammar, formatting, and overall effectiveness. Please note, JobNow does not provide feedback on specialized or technical job information. So once you create an account, again up here, you sign in and upload your resume via the Message Center. Within 1 business day, you'll get a reply in the same Message Center with your resume, including comments about specific elements within the resume and feedback on its overall effectiveness. I submitted a basic resume for feedback to BrainFuse, and this is what I got back. So you can see, starts sort of with an overview of how you should think about a resume and what it is intended to accomplish. Some general suggestions for when you're putting it together, and then links to different types of resume templates. And then here we have the resume that I submitted that a subject expert had looked at. Each change they've made is highlighted in yellow, and then they tell me why they've decided to make that change. So she's enlarged the font here, removed the label from the telephone number, made a suggestion about something I could add. There were some spacing errors, and then some wording suggestions for me to consider changing in this resume. So this is a really great service that they offer. It allows you to get an objective opinion from a resume expert before submitting that document that may be the very first and only thing an employer sees about you before they decide to offer you an interview. So I would urge you, take advantage of this very valuable service that you have available to you through your library card and JobNow. Don't forget, to access the Resume Lab and live help, you will need to create an account. And you can do that by clicking here and then sign up. Fill in all of the information in the required fields, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to check out www.huntleylibrary.org for all of the digital content you have access to with your library card. Please contact us at reference@huntleylibrary.org if you have any questions.